As we started buying more and more trailers to deliver apartment projects, military bases, yellow and green at that time was the color of our trucks and our trailers.
I'm not sure exactly who come up with that color scheme, but it definitely stood out. People saw it going down the highway.
One color, the yellow, was either my father's favorite color and green was my uncle's favorite color, I think is how the story goes. And both of them together just make an awful company color.
I remember a man come along one day and he wanted to paint our trailers. He just traveling, he kind of had long hair. He just looked like a painter, you know, just kind of like an artist. Never met him, got out there on the yard, started painting the trailer. We didn't tell him what to do, we just kind of let him create his design. You'll see a W that's kind of wild looking a little bit. So he done that and done the W that way. And kind of strange, and never saw him again. I think finally we done away with that W.